But itong third year, ano na, parang nagsasabay, kumbaga parang nagkakaroon na ng ng competition in a way, healthy competition between cars and bikes, ganyan. So different communities. So siguro ang pinaka main difference sila is yung racing itself. Yeah, kasi sa racing personally ako, mas thrilling for me panoorin yung motor. I don't know, maybe because of kasi parang ang vulnerable ka.
Yeah, kasi you're out in the open.
Yun lang talaga, hindi kayo nakakahon. Tapos kita mo yung tao mismo na nandun. And when they do the turns, makikita mo talaga yung bumabanking, di ba? Yan yung mga terms
Mas
nila.
may adrenaline rush.
Yes, yung thrill na ganun. And of course, nandun din yung risk. Mas risky for the bikers.